Macka, me look that good.
Oh God, God is good.
My God.
God is good.
All right, so Duttyberry here, New Rules 2022. And people, I see a performance a while ago, and if you miss it, you miss one bag of festivities. The person I talk about are the lady where I defend the big woman them right now. Nice, clean body, and word on the street is that she do a little, a little something. So now that I'm there live with my eyes, me go check it out and make the public know what's the real deal. MackaDiamond.
Wow, Duttyberry. We know where you come with it, you come dirty up the thing, but you don't know it, girl. What's up?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm great, I'm awesome. You don't know, sir. We just share the show, sir.
No, you be humble. MackaDiamond wreck the show. Me go cut to a video when she do the freestyle thing and I mention the artist name.
No. Young boy, them want you. And the young boy, them know.
The one who can call me?
Yeah.
Both him want come tackle me body?
Yeah.
Me make him know about the pop normally. A high time taking me one.
MackaDiamond.
Like, me not for wreck it. A long time I say lockdown, the place is locked down, and the people that want some good performance. Long time they not get no performance like that. And if we wake up the people and make them know, say dancehall still a go on and the music still a go on, and everybody at entertainment. And when the boss Alkaline and them team can come on a big show like this, you can't leave, bro. Come diamond it up, yeah. The dream body come out, yeah.
You step to the show like they have something for prove, MackaDiamond. It's almost like some people that I hate and I say some stuff and you step out with a point for proof.
Yes, them attack us, that's something. Say, oh, the young people, them now gonna look for me on the show and we're also that's something.
I love you. Out there I was in the crowd, I pure love you again.
It was all love. The other day I had a show in New York with Macka too, and they were, you might go on like a big woman, I'm gonna go shell it too. So it's all about the young boy, them out, them in my DM, yeah. So me and them a friend, yeah.
Speaking about the dream body, can we do a little 360 right now? A little sign something there. MackaDiamond. So you're saying that this is 100% real and from my ear say this is from your mother?
Yes, my mommy, she's always sexy. If you see my mommy, she says she don't wear skirt, I wear shorts and at big woman around here, yeah. Nice, cute, at this diamond, priceless, natural, body no fix. Every man want me on them list, hey, do up your body, girl, me no care.
Yeah.
The only thing fear come and falls here.
Yeah.
So me at them take me
Yeah.
go under the knife when I
All
just
right.
one way straight
Yeah.
and me I wear.
No, big up yourself, show them the body again, Macka, yeah. So that's the song, the dream body song.
Yeah, I will put them a dream for the body. We're not against nobody want to do them body.
Is there any politician ever like come after you for the body there and any prominent person where like in a bank and them something there?
Wally, a lot of them. You know?
And them they both right now, them still do them thing right now?
Everybody does in my DM. That's too much start with the young boy them alone, but I Wally.
Alright, so MackaDiamond, what more I forgot to say people is that on the don't know, you said a part of the reason why MackaDiamond staying at the business so long, because you have nice clean art. Macka, you see me there right now, I forgot put that like as part of the journey. Because you were officially the first artist who agreed to do an interview with me when I said I want to start. Because you know I said the Winford Williams, yeah, I said I wanted the Winford Williams and the Anthony Miller type of things. You were the first person who invite me to your studio. You bring me up there, I did feel well official, I did nervous, and somebody just want to say, and also MackaDiamond a part of the reason why I'm here tonight. I shout out to MackaDiamond and I say, yo, I see the event, I don't know if it's too last minute, and MackaDiamond said she gonna make a phone call and try to shout some people and she do what she need to do, and I'm here today. So I want to say, big up yourself.
Duttyberry, you don't know, say no. Enough love now. The new generation, them, we have to love them. We can't fear nothing. We can't fear if new come or nobody come or who. Me never fear nothing yet. Like me I say, if a man have a hot song or we have to just follow your lane, keep in your lane and keep focused. So that's all we have to do. You understand? And that's what the diamond do. You understand?
Yeah, so before we go now, I just want, what the people in the MackaDiamond team? Like so they're right there, so because it was a nice set. I enjoy it. Because what MackaDiamond do, what the dancer them call them, what MackaDiamond showed is that you have stage presence. Like all when the people that are familiar with the new song, I saw everybody just say they hang on to your word.
You have to know, it took practicing, you know, and we have to practice. It's a team, you know. Because right now the dancers them I say, boy, me never need them, but we need them because it's a team same way. And I love them. I will look good. I will come out, and no matter what, we came out. You know?
All right, so everybody big up themselves like just.
Yeah, you know, it's the official SWAT twins. I'm going to say big up to MackaDiamond. Yeah. Right. Big up New Rules. I know it's Star. Big up MackaDiamond up there.
You don't know your girl sit bad. I mean, I say, MackaDiamond, angle it in, she go on with herself, say, no, I go.
Yeah, man, big up your gap teeth too.
You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Our Mama Race.
Yes.
Mama Eyelash, aka Cute Baddest. Big up the bigger Mama.
Yeah. I saw the man himself and all.
Always, yeah, man, I see my hype up and I keep the energy up on the stage.
Yeah, man, DJ Realness, you know anything already. UPT.
Yeah, you don't know official SWAT twins. You don't know me. I big up Macka, you know.
Who else may I leave off Macka? Big up Janice Young. The whole entire team. Oh yeah, you look good, Macka. You look good, Macka, and that is it. Me I say excellent job for the whole entire team. Love your MackaDiamond and continued success. Oh yeah, big up my gap team too. Enough love. Peace out.
No. Young boy, they want you. And the young boy, them know.
The one who can call me.
Yeah.
Both him want come uncle me body.
Yeah.
Me make him know about the pop normally. A high time to give me one. Old man go and beat them like them mother.
Remember good.
Look, the one who can call me.
Yeah.
Both him want come tackle me body.
As a big one.
Make him know about the pop normally.
Yeah.
I tell Jack if you want to join me.
A diamond on her.
Mr. Blacker!
Oh, yes, Macka.
It's when the boss Alkaline call me.
Hush.
My God. A boom boom jump.
Easy.
No.
Big woman breast was squeezy. Easy.
You know why jump? Can't make the baddest. Uncle me can't make any man fall in love. So you know when you call me, say?
Hush.
Alkaline say no want nobody.
Yeah.
Him go want sex when him horny.
Yeah.
But if he favor to get a fuck from me,
Yeah.
the whole of the money and new rules are. What me say?
And the young boy, them know you know.
The young boy don't get jealous, man. Don't get jealous. Alkaline say no want nobody.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get fucked when him horny.
Yeah.
But if he never get a fuck from
Yeah.
every dollar he make tonight,
A year one.
and then him a go in and feelings.
Push. And now another one. Easy.
We love it now.
Entertainment.
We
This
love
is
it.
it.
Sound of sense. We love our real
Performance.
artists. What on them toppy?
But you talk to our people.
What on them? Make sure talk what she say. What you say, baby? Macka, me look damn good.
Oh God. God is
My
good.
God.
God is good.
Yeah, them know. The young people, them now go for me. Them mad. Them love the hot big woman round here. Because when they reach my age, you don't want to look like me.
Yes.
I bet.
Yes.
Some of the big woman, them the young girl, we go compete, you know. Make we get mad.
Boy.
Oh, Call out your daughter. I share the mother. I share the mother. I share the mother. Call out your daughter.
Mama eyelash that. See the daughter.
Wanna see daughter?
See.
Daughter, mommy. Who now go for now? Big woman know if you take care of man.
Yeah.
Wash, cook, God, put prevention. Have your pass with young girl. Well water, much less. So young girl look older than time. Make big woman, big woman, big woman, big woman. Young girl, remember. Big woman, mercy. Big woman versus young girl. Big woman versus young girl. Big woman versus young girl. More young girl, come on. Big woman versus young girl. Big woman versus young girl.
Big woman.
Big woman.
Young girl no.
Big woman know if you take care of.
Boom pani, 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 boom pani. Ease. That is it.
Big up the dancer them.
Them bad.
Twin stickers.
Big up swag twins.
And mommy,
Big up.
wanna say mommy look good, don't it? Mommy, come here.
Mama
Come here,
eyelash,
darling.
you know what I mean? Walk up on them, yeah.
Look on the walk.
I tell you.
Look on the walk.
Wave to the crowd now. It's rich.
Tell me age, mommy.
44.
Oh my God. Give her a round of applause, man. Give mommy a
Yeah, clap for her, clap for her, clap for her.
right, that's it, big up.
One of them boss, yeah, your show. What the dolly done there now?
One of the bands, man.
Ease.
It's my bottom. What do you hear them now? Oh, Macka do her body. But I have to go on a new song because I want to run with that one. Yeah. The girl with a good dream body. But my body natural. But the business who want to do them body, not alright with me. But mine is natural. Girl, nice.
New rules.
Kiss up yourself. And go. What's nice and clean body? Trending and stream body. Nice and clean body. Trending and stream body. Me a glow in the cream body. None of them woman just admire me. Real top man money them a wire me. Body said could them think a Dr. Miami. Raw man hire me, him can't fire me.
Yeah, Macka. And the diamond over. Ready?
Cause we not waste no time. You not ready for me?
I want the girl ever know some turn on the sex appeal, you know. When the girl ever got turn on them,
you not ready for me?
when the girl ever got turn on them, ready now.
Come on. Pull up.
How about yourself?
I go. Boy, take me here and shoot me in the somewhere under me.
Got to you.
Hold on. Wallace, you Wallace.
Yeah.
I forgot about me young boy. Come me youngie.
What
Lord.
do you mean? I will see him shy. I will see him bad. I will see him Alkaline diamond. Hold on, man. Yeah, drive up. Look like he wants some Spanish. Hold on there.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, calm down.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Keep your hands aside. Hold on.
Test it.
Don't rush it.
Testing.
Do it come
1,
quick,
2,
don't rush
3.
it.
Testing. This is something. You ready for me, baby? Hey.
Big woman, you wine now, boy. Wine up with a big woman, tell me now. Wine